Disclaimer!
All the content and assets inside made by AI. No money spent, only free AI on the internet. If you want, I can make full tutorial plus the tools.
Introduction. Art made by artificial intelligence, or AI. It sounds futuristic, yet these clever computer programs are creating stunning artwork today. How exactly do they turn text into realistic paintings? Let's break down step by step how these AI art generators work along with real-life examples so anyone can understand the magic behind the scenes. AI art generators. Definition. First, what do we mean by AI art generators? These are computer systems powered by artificial intelligence that can digitally paint brand new images from scratch based on text descriptions provided by users. For example, type in an armchair in the shape of an avocado and voila, you get a quirky imaginary chair. Key capabilities. 1. Mimic artistic styles. The AI has learned from millions of paintings, sketches, designs spanning centuries of human creation. So it can recreate and combine artistic techniques from Cubism to Impressionism based on prompts. 2. Render any object/scene. Having studied images of everything from galaxies to bananas, the AI synthesizes objects, backgrounds, even abstract concepts described to generate a matching composition. 3. Learn actively over time. Much like humans, every new prompt allows further opportunities for the algorithm to incorporate new visual knowledge into its repertoire through constant learning. Simplified example steps. Want to peek under the hood? Here is roughly how most AI art generators work their magic. 1. Accept text prompt as input. E.g., an armchair shaped like an avocado under flowering trees. 2. Analyze description and creative intent. Identify keywords, mood, lighting cues, armchair, avocado shape, flowering tree backdrop. 3. Retrieve visual components from memory. Pull colors, textures, objects and database matching keywords. 4. Compose scene creatively. Combine and transform retrieved components to match description. 5. Refine details iteratively. Sharpen shapes, set lighting and contrast for realism. 6. Output final art piece, a cohesive artistic rendering transforming the unique idea into pixels. Key AI technologies powering generators. These advanced systems blending language and visuals rely on breakthroughs in deep learning over the past decade. Especially 1. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, networks that team up a generator model pitted against an evaluator to output highly realistic synthetic data points indistinguishable from original data. 2. Diffusion models. By adding noise and partial denoising across forward and reverse model passes, objects and textures emerge into focus progressively. Enables remarkably coherent image gen while supporting creativity. 3. Attention mechanisms, layers that help the generator concentrate processing resources on most pertinent inputs and image regions. Allows handling longer detailed prompts. Examples of capabilities. Want proof of the possibilities? Well, today's AI art generators can conjure everything from 1. Intricate portraits, define facial features, poses, attire, moods and photographic lighting/film effects. 2. Concept cars and gadgets, product sketches and renders of vehicles, devices and architecture. 3. Reinterpretations of famous artworks, blend historical artistic styles like a Rembrandt portrait reimagining. 4. Illustrated book scenes, comics, children's books and manga-style panels. 5. Fantasy/sci-fi landscapes, create scenes impossible in the real world full of magical ambience. Key discussion points. Of course, while the visual creativity unleashed raises possibilities for media, advertising, and entertainment, there are also crucial areas for debate including 1. Legal gray areas, copyright, intellectual property for grounds for potential misuse. 2. Data biases and harms, model conditioning data affects diversity and problematic associations. 3. Artists' livelihoods at stake, AI art as a threat for creative occupations already facing automation pressures. So there are merits but also unknowns to weigh as this technology permeates into design, media, and culture. Ongoing research exploring impacts alongside safeguards and best practices will help strike the right balance. The bottom line, AI art generators showcase the heights machine creativity has reached today, from blank canvases to breathtaking scenes in seconds leveraging human ingenuity. And 2023 promises even more advanced creative functionalities, democratizing art while redefining its future possibilities.
For whatever it's worth, you were right and I was wrong. I'm sorry.